Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this one we are going to be discussing some more things about Solana and why I think it is one of the biggest opportunities to make big money in the next crypto market rally. Now I have previously made a video on Solana as well, so make sure to check that out if you haven't already. I went in depth about Solana and why I think it can go 100x or even 200x in the next market rally. Now guys, if you haven't already, make sure to drop a like on this video and also subscribe, because as you can see we are really close to 1000 subscribers and I really want to reach that number as fast as possible. Also, thanks a lot for the support on my recent videos, and make sure to join the Discord. The link will be down in the description. It is completely free and we talk about crypto and the next 100x in general over there. Anyways, so first of all, let me take you over to the price of Solana and see what is basically happening with the project. Now guys, as you can see, it is up by nearly 0.5% in the last 24 hours. The market cap is just under $5 billion, which is absolutely insane. The 24-hour trading volume looks pretty decent as well. It is just above 500 million, which is absolutely good for a project like Solana and for a project which has been in the news for a lot of time now. Now, if we scroll down on the 7-day chart, you will be able to find that I had mentioned this coin about like on 11 $12, and since then it has jumped back to like $13. But early investors, not even early, I mean like the people who had invested like 7 days ago, are enjoying like a 37% on their investment gain. So your $1000, if you had invested $1000 in the starting of the week in Solana, your investment would have now been worth about $1300 or say $1400, which is pretty decent in just 1 week. And I would say that is a big dub for all those people who had invested in Solana when it was like going downhill a lot faster. Now, if you take a look over to the max charts, you can see that we had a massive pump where Solana reached its all-time high of like $260, which is absolutely insane. But from then it has fallen due to the FTX and the Alameda scams going around. It is also really up from its all-time low. It is up by nearly 25x from its all-time low. So early investors are still enjoying some decent gains on their investment. Now guys, here I found an article where it shows that 3 reasons Solana has been regaining in December losses in a New Year rally. So guys, Solana has rallied for the week as network continues to gain more users. Guys, this is really good news because Solana network has continued to gain more and more users as it progresses further and further. So this is a really good news for the Solana ecosystem. Excitement over the new meme coin BONK. Now this is a coin which a lot of people are talking about, not even in the Solana space, but even in crypto in general. Like if you take a look over to the CoinGecko website and we search over here, you can see that in the trending searches we can find BONK, which is like a Shiba Inu token, but it is built on Solana. So I mean, it is a pretty good way to get some good eyeballs on your project and maybe increase the project's price. Just like as you can see, we had a 40% surge in just a week, which is absolutely insane. Now guys, how is Solana weathering its FTX connections? Now you already know that Solana was one of the main projects which was affected by the BONK, which was affected by the FTX scam, and it hasn't been taking it really well because it had recently dropped from like if I'm not wrong, like about $40. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm not able to open the charts over here, but it had dropped from roughly like about $30 to now about $13, which is about a 60% drop, which is absolutely insane. And the investors were losing a lot of money during that period. But how is it really weathering its FTX connections? So BONK has been taking the Solana blockchain by storm since its launch. In the one-page brief on the project, the founders say they issue Alameda-style tokenomics in favor of a coin that's fun and gives everyone in the community a fair shot. That's good news after all fallout from the Alameda/FTX scandal, which is really good. The platform also got a nice note from crypto competitor Ethereum, which is one of the biggest projects in the cryptocurrency space, from their co-founder Vitalik Buterin. He tweeted over the New Year holiday saying that smart people he trusts have told him about the earnest mass developers in community in Solana. Guys, Solana has one of the best developer community out there. I have been into Solana for a long period of time, and I can 100% assure you this fact that he's completely right about this. Anyways, the second thing is that Solana DeFi platform is still growing. So Solana seems to be weathering damage from FTX very well. That's if you consider how much its price fell over the last 6 months and over the month of December. So guys, on-chain data shows that growth in new monthly addresses for Solana continued to swell throughout 2022 despite the defreeze on crypto prices. So even though the price of the crypto was falling down a lot, but still the amount of addresses, or say the new monthly addresses, kept on increasing in Solana, which is always a good news for a project. New monthly addresses and active monthly addresses slowed growth in quarter 4 of 2022, but the network continued to generate new addresses and active monthly users. So it was constantly getting more and more people invest into a project, which is something which everybody wants for the project they're invested in. New meme coin, again, there's gonna be saying the same thing over here as well. Okay, I don't know what I just did over there, but yeah. So enthusiasts are hailing it as a Dogecoin of Solana, as I told you before. To be fair, Dogecoin, it is a proof of work accounting blockchain fork of Bitcoin. It is not an ERC20 or BEP20 token that lives in Ethereum or Binance, but a layer 1 proof of work coin, as well as a meme coin. Now, Dogecoin recently introduced a new $5 million Doge co-development fund. You can read about it over here if this is something you are interested in. But BONK is certainly running for the title of Solana Platform Doge. Guys, this is why, when something like this happens, a lot of people look over to the project. And as you already know, like, the market cap of Doge and Shiba Inu coins is absolutely insane. So, if this meme coin goes absolutely berserk, which it has been doing, if you take over to the price, we can see that it had a massive pump. Currently it is down by roughly 34%, but I am guessing it was up by nearly 22x in the last 7 days, which is absolutely amazing. So there is some potential still left in Solana. Communities keeps on building, and the developers keep on bringing in new stuff, and this is what a project should be all about. That's why I think Solana is going to be one of the biggest projects once again in the crypto space, and you should be investing some of your money into it if you haven't already yet. So guys, for my last part of this video, how much Solana would I recommend you to invest? So guys, at the current moment, I think if you invest at like $10 or say $7, unless the project goes to zero, you should be investing into it right away, because the price point is a fraction of what it will be in the coming future. So me personally, I have about 750 Solana, which at this moment should be, I am not really sure. Okay, let me pull out my calculator here quick. So 750 into $13, about $10,000. So this has been my investment in Solana. But guys, this was when at its all-time peak, this investment could be worth a lot of money. Let me show you what happens if if Solana gets back to its all-time high, which I'm sure it will be doing if it keeps on building, and if everything goes in favor of Solana. So my 750 Solana into what was it all-time high, about $260, that's about $200,000, guys, which is absolutely insane. It's like a 20x from over here, which is absolutely insane, and I am all in it for it because I really want those gains. And I think this massive cryptocurrency can really do this. Solana has been one of the coins which I had invested in at the early stages, so I'm really grateful for that, and I'm looking forward to the growth it has in the coming future. Anyways guys, that is going to be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and join the Discord server, guys. The link will be down in the description. It is completely free. You don't need to pay anything right now. Just get in and be a part of the community. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.